I just make a video. Say something! I am making a video! Yeah, we're here in... Saan nga dito? Huwag muna nagbibideo
We
ko.
are in Frederick's Castle.
Yeah, Fredericksburg Castle.
Hello.
Hi!
Hey.
Hey! We're making a video here. Wow, this is the castle called...
We are crazy because
Hey,
of the
wait!
weather.
What's this called?
It's called
castle.
Fredericksburg Castle.
Please say hi! Hi!
Hey, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, di ba picture taking kami?
Picture taking pa.
Woohoo!
Wait, one more.
Uy, one more na nga. Uy.
Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3.
See, we're so happy here.
Welcome.
Hello.
Uy, i-upload ko to.
Ay, nako.
Kami sa Facebook.
Ay.
Uy, i-upload ko to, Ate Mars.
Hi, I'm Miss Mercy. Hi.
Yeah, you're
We don't
Mercy.
have any more chips.
Oh, we have a lot of chips there. At Kuya Paul.
Okay, let's go.
Hi again.
Let's go, girls. Let's go.
Uy, nagme-make ako ng video. Promise talaga.
Where is my jacket? Come on.
Yeah. No speaking dialects here, vernacular. We should speak English because we are international, guys.
Hi, guys. Hey, guys.
We are four.
Hey, it's a swan! Ah! Swan! Oh, punta kayo doon para kita kayo. Oh, di ba?
Kinakunin kita.
Hindi! Ako na ako?
Oo.
Sige.
Hindi, video yan.
Kaya nga, video yan kita. Hello!
Hi.
The owner of the cell phone.
Hi.
Si Hello!
Oh, hi.
Si Hello. Sige, lakad!
Naglalakad na kami.
Lakad!
Halika na, Ate Mars. Maglalakad tayo.
Hi, this is Island.
Huwag kang magsasalita ng ano.
Dante's girlfriend.
No, sorry ka. Huwag kang magsasalita ng ano.
Hi, I'm Miss Mercy. I'm still single and beautiful.
How about me? And then, of course, Ate, Shirley. Shirley na lang. Cheryl, the most beautiful in the whole wide universe.
That is false.
It's Jeffrey's girlfriend.
First girlfriend.
No.
Huy, ang ganda dito.
Don't deny, girls, because you are not available anymore.
First time na nandito ako na
Tama na,
pinawisan.
Close mo na.
Pinawisan